In today's video, I'll show you how to set up WooCommerce in WordPress so you can start selling products on your own online store. It's a simple process and I'll guide you through everything you need to get up and running. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left and go to the plugins section. Click on Add New, then search for WooCommerce. When it appears, select Install Now and wait a moment for WordPress to finish installing it. After that, click Activate to turn the plugin on. As soon as WooCommerce activates, it launches the setup wizard. This wizard makes the entire process quick and beginner friendly. The first step is entering your store details, including your business location, preferred currency, and whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or both. Next, WooCommerce will walk you through payment options. You can enable services like PayPal, Stripe, bank transfers, or cash on delivery. Choose the options that best fit your customers' needs. Then you'll set up your shipping preferences, add your shipping zones, choose whether to offer free shipping, flat rates, or real-time shipping calculations, and enter your preferred settings. The wizard may recommend optional plugins that can enhance your store, such as tools for marketing, performance, or security. You can choose to install them now or skip them and add them later. Finally, WooCommerce will ask if you want to switch to a store-friendly theme. While your current theme may work, choosing a WooCommerce optimized theme can give your customers a better shopping experience. Once you finish the setup wizard, your basic store framework is ready. From here, you can add products, customize your storefront, and start preparing for your first sale. And that's your quick guide to setting up WooCommerce in WordPress. Thanks for watching and good luck building your online store.